Sithe siqala isigcawu namhlanje kwavela ukuthi phakathi kwamaziko ezindaba abegwazelwa ukuthi acheme uma ebika ngezinto ezabe zithinta owabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma kwabe kukhona neAfrican News Agency.
We know that it's the African News Agency and they've already issued a public statement in regard to that, which is an interesting public statement which will be referred to later in evidence, Chair. So that evidence has been responded to by the African News Agency. Are you aware of that, Ms. Kay?
Yes, I am aware.
Ms. Kay utshela ikhomishana ukuthi zikhona izinhlangano zabezindaba ezala zaphetha ukufunjathiswa ngabezindaba.
Media houses or certain media houses refuse to cooperate. Is that how you understand those allegations or those statements?
Yes, that's what my interpretation is as well.
Ufakazi utshela usihlalo wekhomishana ukuthi kwakubonakala ukuthi uphiko lwezomhloli liyangena liyagamanxa impela kwezombusazwe ngoba kwathi engqungqutheleni yobuholi eqenjini elibusayo eNazareth kwakunamalunga loluphiko ayingapheli kulengqungquthela.
I just still want to place it on record that it would not be peculiar in general to have SSA members at, because we do have special events and this would be an event.
Ms. K utshele isigcawu ukuthi ngenkathi uArthur Fraser ethatha izintambo zokuba ngumqondisi jikelele ophikweni lwezobunhloli izindleko zalolu phiko zasuka ezigidini ezingama42 zamarandi zayohlala ezigidini ezingama303 zamarandi ngo2017 kanti kwakungaveli kahle ukuthi ngempela imali engaka yenzani. NginguCalvin Dludla kwezindaba zeSABC.